I've been really into arch chairs recently and I realized it was possible to upcycle some myself. I found these secondhand chairs on Facebook Marketplace and knew they were the perfect candidate. First, I wanted to remove that upholstered back, so using my Bosch nano blade, I simply cut where the wood was joined. I realized I needed to lower the back to make the chair more comfortable, so again I used the nano blade to cut the sides down. I then removed the seat and then repeated that process for all 4 chairs. To attach the arch back on, I used a drill with a spade bit to drill out the center of both the sides of the chair and the arch. And then I just cut some dowel and used some wood glue and the dowel to attach the 2 pieces together. Doing this woodworking trick always feels like magic, and when it had dried, it worked so well. Next up, it was time to refinish the wood. I simply used my detail sander to sand all of the surfaces of the chair. It took ages, but they looked really nice when I was done. I decided to use a stain and varnish on the wood to protect it and also give it a nice warm tone. For the seats, I decided to update them from the rectangular shape to a round shape, and I used timber panels to do this. I couldn't decide on the final look for all 4, so I decided to go with all different ones, and I think they look so cute. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Which option would you choose? Thanks for watching, and drop any questions you have below.